GTA fans, brace yourselves! A remastered GTA 4 could be hitting modern platforms sooner than you think. Welcome to GadInsider, your ultimate source for gaming scoops. Stick around to find out what's coming and why this is huge. While we're all hyped for GTA 6, Rockstar might just drop a remastered GTA 4 before 2025 ends. Imagine exploring Liberty City in glorious 60 frames per second on PS5, Xbox Series X and S, and PC. Ready to dive back into Niko Bellic's world? Let's break it down. According to Rockstar Insider Test 2, a GTA 4 remaster is in the works for modern platforms, and it could launch before the end of 2025. Posting on GTA forums, Test 2 revealed that someone at Rockstar hinted at this port, saying it may end up dropping this year. That's right, 2025 could bring us back to the gritty streets of Liberty City, the iconic stand-in for New York City, with Niko Bellic's epic story of crime and redemption. But why now? Test 2 suggests the recent takedown of the Liberty City Preservation Project mod, a fan-made effort to bring GTA 4's map to GTA 5, might be a clue. Could Rockstar be clearing the way for their own official remaster? We think so. So what's in store for this GTA 4 remaster? We're talking enhanced gameplay on modern platforms like PS5, Xbox Series X and S, and PC. Expect buttery smooth 60 frames per second performance, a PC build that actually works properly, and possibly upgraded graphics to make Liberty City shine. Test 2 also dropped a bonus bombshell. If Rockstar sticks to their plan, a Max Payne 3 port could follow GTA 4, potentially bundled as a definitive edition with Max Payne 1 and 2 remakes. That's a double dose of Rockstar classics. However, whether the Nintendo Switch or Switch 2 will get these ports remains a mystery. Why does this matter? GTA 4 is a fan favorite, praised for its deep story and immersive world, but it's been stuck on older consoles like PS3 and Xbox 360. A remaster would finally bring it to PS5 and Xbox Series X and S players while fixing the clunky PC version. Plus, with GTA 6 delayed to May 2026, this remaster could tide us over and give new players a chance to experience Liberty City, especially since GTA 6's Lucia Caminos hails from there. And that's the latest on the GTA 4 remaster rumors. Are you excited to revisit Liberty City? Or maybe dive into Max Payne 3 port? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you're hyped for more gaming news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.